Welcome! If you want to find all your Instagram highlights history by date using the latest update on the Instagram app for PC, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to organize and revisit your favorite memories with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your content and settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the menu icon to expand your options. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your activity and content. Next, look for the section called Your Activity. Click on it, and a new set of options will appear. From here, select Photos and Videos. This section is dedicated to everything you've shared or interacted with, making it the perfect place to manage your highlights. Now, click on Highlights. This will bring up a list of all your Instagram highlights, those collections of stories you've chosen to keep on your profile beyond the usual 24 hours. With the new update, highlights are easier to browse and more organized than ever before. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of the Highlights section, you'll see a button labeled Sort and Filter. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a specific date or date range. This feature lets you quickly find highlights from a particular time, whether you're searching for a special trip, an event, or just want to relive a certain month. Once you've selected your desired date, click Apply. Instagram will instantly filter your highlights, showing only those that match your chosen time frame. Scroll through and find the exact highlight you're looking for. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now easily find all your Instagram highlights by date on the PC app, thanks to the latest update. Enjoy rediscovering your best moments, perfectly organized and just a few clicks away.